On the streets of New York, some sounds come and go. But others seem to be constant.
When it gets crowded, the streets gets crowded, that's all you hear is honking. Beep, beep, beep.
Part of New York City, no doubt. Other cities I go to, I definitely haven't noticed, the excessive honking.
Over the course of the year, the transportation department is removing "Don't Honk" signs across town. Officials say their goal is to declutter city streets. Critics worry that the city is giving up on curbing noise pollution. Last year, the police issued only 206 tickets for excessive honking and 140,000 for using a cell phone while driving. But some New Yorkers say honking is simply a fact of life.
It's a problem every single day, but the signs are not going to help it any. Sort of an exercise in futility.
I get pretty annoyed when people honk, but after a while you just learn to ignore it.
I honk regularly, yes. If it was enforced that, we were going to get fines, I would certainly become more conscious of not doing it. I mean, that's clear.
In fact, excessive honking will continue to be illegal and will still carry a $350 fine even after the signs are taken down.